This is funny though, I like it. Don't hit the fence though.
How you doing?
You know. No.
This is my new weapon. I call it say hi to me.
Looks like a pie.
Hey! Don't touch it.
Hey guys, it's me. Check out my cool new motorcycle. I hit. What are you doing, Hayden? What the barrel? Wow, it's like the fireworks in mine.
Story. Don't like catch a lack.
It's a funny looking.
Is it still hot?
How do you pronounce it? How do you spell it?
What do you mean how do I spell
CHHG.
Crap. Hey, don't bully me.
Sorry. You want to tell scary stories about?
No.
PVC pipe.
I thought it was gonna work. It didn't work.
Is he spray painting his truck? What a genius!
I'll put fireworks on.
Let's burn the.
Just one more goes off. Hit your camera. It's like, oh.
So, let me tell you a scary story.
Hey.
What happens if I step in that bad boy?
You'll probably get burned.
So guys, let me tell you a scary story. Hi guys, it's me, David the Mavid, featuring Arcade Craniacs here today. I'm gonna tell you a scary story. Hang on, let me.
Dude, that Elmo voice was so good.
He did it really well.
I first saw that on a Pyro Cynical video. It was awesome. You see, his content is actually funny despite it being for kids. He finds a way. He finds a way to combat them. Dude, did you know Arcade Craniacs responded to the video?
This says Among Us at 3
It
a.m.
says, haha guys, I love that.
Haha guys, subscribe to my YouTube.
Like seriously, go check it out, it's insane. Haha, Elmo's work.
Oh, what's this?
Let me see if I can make it.
Oh, Steve.
You suck.
So I'm practicing.
No, you're not. This is your first time, buddy. What is that? I thought that honestly was water.
Check this out.
Hmm? That's sad.
I know. Get the light out of the house.
Good morning.
Seems like a good day. So one time, I ran away from like this man with like 2 buns, right? And he was doing this thing where like, oh, what the heck? Run, Hayden, run! All right.
He had his face above me. He was like,
So. All right, we gotta go.
Guys, it's me, guys. It's Uncle.
It's me, Uncle Grandpa. Good morning. Oh, let's go to the far distance.
Whoa.
Why are you saying whoa? Whoa. Oh, okay. Yeah, that was on my eye. That is getting in my eyes.
I wear glasses.
Cool, I don't. Is it raining? Oh. Oh, I'm having World War II flashbacks. There are people firing. People are firing at us. See, we're famous. People hate us. They throw fireworks at us.
They throw guns at us.
Yeah. Gotta love it. They don't call me laser tag for nothing. So what do you think of Joe Biden? Oh!
I just know the United States. I don't know if Joe Biden's the best choice, but I mean, he's definitely better than Trump. So please don't dock me for that. I mean, it is just my opinion. And after all, it's just an opinion at the end of the day. I don't really.
What was?
I'm not really big on politics.
Go on.
But I mean, Joe Biden hasn't really messed up the country, right? In fact,
Right.
I'm pretty sure he's a person country. I don't even know how many more stimulus checks, along with.
That is too much. That is too much. What was your opinion on Joe Biden? Sir, what is your opinion on Joe Biden? What is your opinion on Joe Biden, sir? Excuse me, sir. Is this your vote to Joe Biden? Still going. It's still going. This is the finale. So what was your opinion?
So anyway, as I was saying, you know, Joe Biden taking the. Yeah!
They're clapping.
Dude, that was amazing. That was the finale.
Oh, it was?
That was it. What did you expect more?
Oh.
I even saw red, white, and blue go off. It was all that shh when it wouldn't stop.
Alright, yeah, go ahead. What's your opinion? You want to make another snore?
We're out of chocolate.
Oh, yeah. It's kind of sad. It's a bit smoky. Hurry up, there's no more oxygen in the air. Smoke as much as you can.
Me when I vape. Me when I clap. Right? Hey, I mean, it is. I mean, we're gonna put on the Bisney Bros, right?
Both.
Both yours and the Bisney Bros.
And yours if you want, I don't care. I mean, it is me talking throughout the whole thing, so. But you've made so far the funniest jokes.
You know my rule. If I'm in it, I steal.
Are they done?
So when's the finale?
So when's the finale? So, guys, if you want to buy these candles right now, you can for only $5. Hayden, where are you going? I was sponsoring my new product. Hey, what's up, guys? Who are these guys? What are you doing?
Last one? Yeah. Man, red, bright, and blue. I saw that go off. That was my favorite.
Stick it right on the very end. Get rid of one. Pump
The anticipation is incredible.
Yeah, very end and it'll work.
So you want to touch that hot stuff? Now hold the firecracker when it lits.
You see?
We gotta have something holding it up.
Yeah, guys, let's play a game of chicken.
Oh, almost got it.
Almost, then it blows up.
No?
Hey, no cussing in my thing.
Hey, this is our video. We're gonna have to bleep that. We're gonna have to bleep that out.
Come on, Ethan.
You got it, buddy. Oh.
I think cut it down.
He's out of breath.
Yeah. Hold on, I'm letting it.
Hope you're stepping on that one.
Grab the.
Yeah.
There's two more.
Here's another one.
Oh.
There's four right here. Oh my God.
There's another one. Oh my God, that